Unlike in Windows 10, in Windows 11, we don't have the option to turn off the news feed from the taskbar. So in this tutorial, I will show you how easy it actually is to turn off news and interest from the taskbar. Here we can see the news and interests button. If you hover your mouse over the news and interests button, you will see things such as weather, news, etc. If you right-click here on the taskbar, you will not find any option to turn off the news and interest from the taskbar. So you can search here, Settings. Now open the Settings part. Go to Personalization, which is at the left sidebar. Scroll this a little bit down and locate Taskbar. Open Taskbar. Turn off this widgets. Boom! The News and Interests button has turned off from the taskbar. Now to turn on the widgets, just click here. For now, I will keep my widgets off to maintain my clean taskbar. If you wish to see more useful videos like this, show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Until next time.